Good morning, everyone. Today I will going to discuss about survey research and feedback, or SRF. So we have 4 steps of survey research and feedback. We have data collection, feedback and analysis, action planning, and follow-up. Research and feedback, or SRF. So first, what is SRF? Survey research and feedback, or SRF, is an organizational development technique where employees complete questionnaires on organizational issues, receive feedback on the results, and then take action to address identified problems, fostering a participative approach to organizational improvement. So, yung SRF is isa siyang organizational methods or techniques na nagpo-provide or nagre-research ng mga issues within the organization or the company, and then para makapag-formulate ng change doon sa makikitang issue. So the first step is data collection. SRF involves collecting data from organizational members through questionnaires or surveys. So, dito sa steps na to, first steps is magko-collect ng mga datas yung within the organization. Yun nga, para malaman kung ano yung mga problema na dapat i-address sa organization or sa company. Like for example, declining employee participation sa workplace. So, halimbawa, yun yung issue. Mag-gather ng mga data like through questionnaires or surveys para malaman yung problema na yun. And then, second is feedback and analysis. Collected data will be analyzed and results are feedback to the organization. So, pag nakuha yung mga data na yon, yung results is yung magiging feedback ng organization. And then, the third one is action planning. Based on the feedback, organizations develop and implement actions to address the identified issues and concern. So, yun na nga, dahil nakapag-gather na ng data and then na-analyze na, meron na ring result. The third one is action planning. Based on the feedback, organizations develop and implement actions to address the identified issues and concern. So, yun na nga, dahil nakapag-gather na ng data and then na-analyze na, meron na ring result, ang third step is gagawa ng plan para ma-address yung identified issues and concern. And then the last steps is to follow up. The effectiveness of the action plans is monitored, and further iterations of the SRF process may be undertaken to track progress to make adjustments. So, sa last step natin is follow-up. Sa follow-up, dito na titingnan or dito makikita kung yung plan ba or yung action na ginawa para doon sa issue na yun is kung effective ba, and then para ma-monitor for further iterations ng survey and research and feedback. Yun lang. Thank you po.